Welcome back to Speak Japanese in 5 minutes. I'm your host Leo, and sitting across from me here at our lovely Cafe Jupiter is the one and only K-Sensei.
Hello, Leo. Hello, everyone. It's good to be back.
Sensei, today is episode 12, and for this one, we're hitting the most convenient place on earth. A place I visit at least 2 times a day when I'm in Japan, the convenience store.
Ah, yes, an essential part of daily life in Japan. In Japanese, we call it a konbini. It's actually shortened from the English phrase convenience store. We just made it a bit easier to say.
Konbini, I love it. Now, the second you walk in, the staff always shouts something very enthusiastically. What are they saying?
That would be いらっしゃいませ. It means welcome or come on in. It's a standard greeting for all customers.
Okay, and what do I say back?
This is the important part, Leo. You don't need to reply at all. It's a one-way greeting. You can just give a small nod and continue with your shopping.
That's a relief. I always felt a little awkward just staying silent. Okay, so after I've picked out my snacks and drinks, I get to the counter. They always ask me a question, and I think it's about a bag?
Correct. They are asking if you need a plastic bag. The question is, 袋はいりますか? Fukuro means bag. Irimasu ka means do you need it? If you want a bag, you can just nod. Or if you want to reply, you can say, はい、お願いします.
Got it. And if I have my own bag and want to say, no, I'm okay?
A very useful phrase for that is 大丈夫です. It means I'm okay or it's alright. You can use it to politely refuse something.
Okay, 大丈夫です. Simple enough. Now, what about my favorite part, the hot meal boxes?
Ah, the meal box. We call that a bento. And if you buy a bento, the clerk will ask if you want to warm it up. They will say, 温めますか?
Perfect. I always want it warmed up. I just nod enthusiastically. Okay, I think it's time for a practice drill.
Certainly. Listeners, I will say the Japanese word. Please repeat it in the silence that follows. First word, bag, fukuro. Next word, meal box, bento.
Great. Okay, Sensei. Sometimes I see amazing hot food behind the counter, like fried chicken or some other delicious snack. How do I point and say, I want that one?
An excellent question. This is one of the most useful phrases for any traveler. You point at the item and say, これをください. Kore means this. O is a particle marking the object, and kudasai is the polite way to say, please give me. This one, please.
This is a game changer. これをください. Let's practice that one right away.
Of course. Repeat after me. これをください.
Okay, so I've successfully bought my bento and my fried chicken. But what if I need utensils? Chopsticks, or dare I say, a spoon for my curry?
Very practical. Chopsticks are 大箸. And spoon is easy. It's from English. Supuin.
Right, so how would I ask for a spoon? Is it something like, spoon o onegaishimasu?
Exactly right, Leo. You would say, スープワンをお願いします. Very good. For now, let's practice just the words. Ready, everyone? First, chopsticks. 大箸. Now spoon. スープに. Alright, Leo and listeners, let's put these key phrases together in an intensive 3-round drill. I will say the word, you repeat in the pause. We will do 3 full rounds. Round 1. コンビニ. 袋. これをください. 大丈夫. Round 2. Again. コンビニ. 袋. これをください. 大丈夫. Final round. Last time. コンビニ. 袋. これをください. 大丈夫.
Whew, my brain is full. Okay, listeners, your homework challenge for this week is to practice saying 大丈夫です in the mirror. It's a great all-purpose phrase to have ready. Next time on episode 13, we're going to the izakaya. We'll learn how to say cheers and order some classic Japanese pub food. It's gonna be delicious.
Sounds fun. Until then, everyone. またね